Hey guys, welcome to the Nature Channel. Today we're gonna be looking at trees. Our first tree is right here. This is the white pine. You can tell it's a white pine because of the way it is. So come on, follow me. We're gonna go look some more. All right, here we go. Okay. Next up, right here we got ourselves a nice looking spice bush. You know why it's a spice bush? Because it's spicy. All right, let's keep on going. Up here next, we got ourselves a tulip poplar. You know how the tulip poplar? Because of its leaves. That's how. All right. Okay, next up, we got some wood. A dead tree. All right, let's keep going here. All right, let's see what we got going. Oh, all right, here comes a cool one up here. Come on, guys. Come on, you're slowing down. Okay, right here, we have an ironwood. You can tell it's an ironwood because it's made of metal. Right there it is. All right, let's keep going. Okay. All right. These are two trees here. Okay. Let's see what else we got. All right, we got some skunk cabbage down here. You know why they call it skunk cabbage? Because of skunks. That's why. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got going here. That's Charlie up there. He's doing pretty good. That's a metal pipe. Is what that is. And this here. This is an electricity tree. You can see it because of the electricity. The electricity. It's an electricity tree. You see it? All right. Let's see. Maybe we can find one more along here. Okay. This right here. This is a honeysuckle. You can tell it's a honeysuckle because that's where we get honey from. All right. Thanks for joining me today on the Nature Channel. Hopefully you guys can come back next time for even more fun identifications. All right.